Lily Stolzberg. We're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Giovanni, who's going to make something pretty special. I love this.
Yes.
What are we doing?
This is beef tenderloin, filet mignon. So first things first, we want to make sure that we heavily salt and pepper the meat. Salt and heavy pepper. And you'll see I'm going to hit it on the side of the plate because I'm going to roll it. We're going to do that. Now in my pan, I'm going to give it a good amount of olive oil and a dab of butter. I'm going to let that butter melt. It's going to get nice and hot. All right, we're just about there. And we want to hear that sizzle. And we're just going to sear all sides. That's the color you're looking for. Rolling it over in sections. Seared this side. Now I'm searing this side.
Looking good already.
Right, so I'm going to take this whole pan. I'm going to throw it in the oven. 350, 10 to 12 minutes per pound. About 20 minutes, we'll be back to it, okay?
Perfect.
Ready? We're going to make this horseradish cream sauce. So I'm going to take a good amount of horseradish. I'm going to put it right on the bottom. Drop it right in. Sour cream. And a little shot of Worcestershire sauce.
Oh.
I'm going to hit it with some pepper and a little bit of salt. We'll drop in all of this horseradish. All right, and then we're just going to mix it together. I'm going to take a little bit of the chives now, and when I serve it, I'll put some more on top. This is the end result.
Oh, wow.
We want it to be pink all the way through. Horseradish cream sauce, a little bit of chives all around. That's filet mignon at its finest.
That is beautiful, and that is definitely a crowd pleaser. So if you'd like to try it, head to news12.com and you'll find the recipe there. Gio, thank you.
Thank you, Lil.